Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Virgo. Let's see what's happening for Virgo in their love life. This is specifically a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and pressing the bell icon so not to miss any updates from me. Let's start. Let's see what's happening for Virgo in their love life. Happening for Virgo. What's happening for Virgo? What's up for Virgo? The first card we have is the Seven of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. What do we have for Virgo? Eight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Three of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What more do we have? Ace of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ten of Pentacles, wow. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ten of Cups, wow, beautiful. 2 times 10, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. With the Seven of Swords, what more do we have? And the last one we have is the Seven of Cups. 7, 7, 10, 10, beautiful. We have 3 times 7, so you might be seeing a lot of 7, 777, okay. Wow, and the overall energy is the Four of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Virgo, what I'm seeing here is you might feel a little bit emotionally dissatisfied. You might feel confused, overwhelmed. You might feel as if your expectations are not being met. Okay. You might get a lot of opportunities when it comes to relationships. Many people are having their eyes on you and you don't know who has the truest intentions. You don't know about it. So you are confused, overwhelmed. Even in the work situation, you might feel as if there are a lot of opportunities coming your way, but you can't choose. It might be about your career too. Okay. You might also feel as if you have to walk away from something and it's not you want. Like you were expecting it to go further. You were expecting this relationship to go further, but because that person took so long, because that person gave you so ins and outs and on and off situation, you don't feel as you belong there anymore. You feel you want to just walk away from the situation even if it hurts you. You don't want to accept someone's proposal or someone's expression of love. You don't feel like believing this person. You don't believe this person anymore. No matter like whom you're dealing with. It is a friend or a romantic relationship. You don't trust them anymore. In some point in life, you both were feeling as if this relationship was meant to be. You both were wanting to marry each other, wanting to have kids together. You both had everything planned out, and this person showed you like they don't care you, they don't care about you, they don't love you. They walked out of the situation. They were being escapists. They did not express well, and now you don't want them. You don't want their cup of love now. You are rejecting. No matter how stressful the situation is for you, how confused it is leaving you, you don't want to forgive this person anymore. You don't trust them. Yeah, it is breaking your heart at the same time, but you are ready to walk on this path of thorns and get to the other side of this situation where you're peaceful and calm and by yourself. You don't trust this person anymore. Or it might be that person don't trust you anymore. You want to start something with them and they don't trust you. Roles can be switched as per your needs. Okay. So yeah. Definitely walking away from something, no matter how hard it hurts you. Not accepting this cup of love because you don't trust them anymore. This was the past. beautiful, balanced relationship. This was what you were expecting out of the situation, and you got in this Three of Swords situation. Someone had blocked the ways of communication or their energies. They were keeping themselves guarding. They were guarding themselves from this situation, and now you are doing that. You don't trust them anymore, Virgo. Okay, see, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. You are you're like very restless. You are very tensed. You are very stressed. You don't know what to do in this situation, but you are okay. You're like, I'm okay if I will get peace of mind at the end of the tunnel. You're ready to walk this path. See, you are conflicted about the situation. You don't know whether to trust this person or not. You don't trust this person anymore. Okay, you have a lot of conflict when it comes down to this person. You are expecting something new, something brand new, not the same old love. Okay, you don't want that person again in your life. All they caused is a lot of heartache and drama in your life, and you want to move further in your life with a new person. You're manifesting something better in your life. This is Gemini energy. Okay, you're manifesting something better that can go forward, like to stability. No matter it is your work situation or your love situation, you are wanting something better now, coming out of the obstacles, coming out of the maybe at your workspace some people were targeting you, or at your family, or like in your family, at your friends. No matter what this was, it wasn't doing anything good for you, and you want to come out of this conflict now. No matter if you're left alone or not, no matter if it saddens you, but you are manifesting something better, something new. You want something new. You don't want the same old love, is what I'm seeing here. No matter if you want to leave single, you have to stay single for a very long period of time, but you are manifesting something better, something new. Yeah, wow. Taking stand for yourself, taking your time off from everything, analyzing things, defending yourself, protecting yourself. So this is beautiful. Okay, let's see from Oracle what do we have for Virgo. If you like the video, please hit the like button before you leave the video. What do we have from the oracles for Virgo? What do we have? The first we have is chop wood. I told you, you are about to chop something off of your life that is not serving you. Okay, you don't want anything that is holding you back, that is keeping you drained, that is draining your energy. What more do we have? Never ending story. I told you this is a never ending story. You are dealing with someone who doesn't change. The situation doesn't budge, and you have to take the lead and chop off the wood so as to go towards a better future. You are manifesting something really beautiful. Yeah, so this is a never ending story. You need to chop it off and you will get something better. Okay, what more do we have? See, coming in your energy. This is a Taurus energy. You're coming in your power, taking control of your life, taking control of your emotions. From this to this, it is a long road, but you have to do it. What more do we have for Virgo? What do we have for Virgo? Blessed. You will be feeling blessed at the end of the month. Okay, so starting like in the month of December, you will be starting with a fresh mind, with a clean slate, between worlds. You don't have to be here. Okay, you don't have to be confused and conflicted anymore. Choose better things for yourself, Virgo. Let's see what do we have from the handwritten advices for you for the month of November. What's coming up for? See, intuition fell off, and this is something you need to trust. Your intuition is going to be very strong. Just trust your intuition, just trust your gut feeling. What more do we have for you? Marriage. You are wanting a stable relationship. You don't want something that is in and out of your life. Maybe you're dealing with someone who has the name starting with these initials, or it might be you. What more do we have? Abundance is coming your way. Okay, you'll be blessed. Don't worry, everything is just going to be fine. You're going to receive abundance. And crush, maybe someone has a crush on you. I told you, either someone new is coming your way, okay, or someone old, you are cutting off the old and going towards the new. Okay, what more do we have for Virgo? Belief. Change your belief system. You're not alone, you're blessed. You should follow your intuition and you're going towards betterment. Okay, this is your reading, Virgo, for the rest of the November month. If you like the reading, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.